Hello everyone, this is my instructional video in showing you how to put up a front porch light on brick with the old setup. As you can see, this is very old. Of course, the screws are already there and it's got this very old setup, and it does not have a box. Most of the time you're going to have, when you're trying to put up a front porch light or any kind of light fixture on a house, you're going to have a box. Sometimes you don't have it. It doesn't even have a grounding wire. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works, or how I did it without having to drill holes, because you can do it if you want to. You can drill some new holes down here or up there, or whatever you want to do, and it'll work. However, it's just a little bit more time consuming and a lot more energy you got to put into it. So if you don't want to do that, this video may help you out. So I'm going to show you how it looks, because most of the time what you're going to have is, when you have a new light fixture, you're going to have something that looks like this. As you can tell, the holes are not as big. So the screw that came out of this will not fit into this. It won't fit at all. I tried it. It's just not worth trying at all. It's just ridiculous. And as you can see, you've got the screws in here, so you need both of these. You need this and you need this part here in order for it to hold the light fixture that you need. So I'm going to show you how to use this and still use this at the same time. And hopefully it's going to come out looking like that. This is the light fixture I chose to use. Got it from the Home Depot, and hopefully everything goes correctly to where it can be as flush as the other one is. Because this one sticks out just a little bit further than the other one. I mean, a whole lot further. Matter of fact, it didn't even stick out this far. So hopefully I can get it done and make it work. Hopefully it doesn't look too janky, but hey, as long as it's tight, as long as it doesn't move, you're good to go. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right, I'm back. It took some doing, but I got it. There it is. So I've used what they gave me on top of what I had to deal with. So this is still here, but I had to slide this underneath and I had to screw this on top right there. Once you have this, that is all you need. This is sturdy. I screwed this in very tight. This is not moving. This is screwed in through this very tight. You can use the same screw it as tight as you need. It's not going to move. All you have to do now is put up the fixture with the screws that it came with, and I will show you how that's going to look after I'm done. All right, one more thing before I put the whole thing up. Of course, when you're doing this, you got to be smart. Go ahead and turn off the breaker. Find out whatever breaker it is. Sometimes these old houses, the person may have marked the breaker wrong. So you got to figure out which one it is. So I've been going through that in this particular house. I found out what breaker goes where. Turn the breaker off. Please do that. And as you see, I've used the grounding wire that comes with the fixture to the grounding nut. Okay. And then I put the black on black, white on white, using their ties, whatever you want to call them. Now I will proceed in putting this on and putting the screws there to actually get the whole fixture up. I'll be back. All right, well, it's getting dark, so it's not like it's taking me a long time. I mean, it kind of is, because I have to deal with this and that space right there. I put the screw in on this side very easily. However, it's this side that I had to get to, which caused me to show my flexibility. I had to put my foot on this wall and stretch over here, which was nice. So this thing right here is not doing any justice for the other side. So there it is. Almost done. It's going to be a little darker after I come back, but hey, the project will be done and the light will be on, and both lights are going to look really good. All right, yeah, like I said, it's dark. And also, what took me longer was because the kind of bulb that I have is the kind of bulb where I can actually change the color of it. I put a mercury bulb in here, It tells you, the fixture tells you that it only takes 60 watt maximum. However, that is not true. Well, you can take that and use that precaution if you want to. However, you can safely put in something like this, which is a 70 watt bulb. But the reason why I chose this is because I can actually turn down the brightness. I can make it cool white, warm white. I can change the colors if I wanted to. So I don't have to use 100% of the light all the time. I can use it at 50 or 48% and it does everything it needs to. So there it is. There's that one. There's that one. And that is my instructional video on how to put in light fixtures on a brick wall without a box or grounding wire and without having to drill holes. Hope this helps someone out. Hope it helps you save some money and time and energy like it did me. I started late, so that's why it got dark early on me. Peace out.